up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, and welcome if you are new to this channel. In today's video, you'll be seeing me pack because we are actually going out of town this week. We're actually leaving tomorrow. Today is Monday, March 1st, guys. I want to give a shout out to my little cousin Quentin. Happy 19th birthday to you. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we are here, and if you hear anything in the background, that's Coco Melon. So currently on the bed, I have everything laid out for my daughter. So we have the clothes that she's gonna wear, some nighttime stuff, some wipes and rags, towels, shoes, socks, all that good stuff. And then any extra things like Pampers and stuff, we'll go ahead and grab that. But let's get the bag so we can start putting it in there. Okay guys, so everything was neat 1 second ago, but I'm just gonna show you like individually some of the stuff we have for Mel. So we have a pair of black tennis shoes for her. They're so little. A pair of white tennis shoes for her. Some cute little white sandals. She has some pink tennis shoes right here. And I did have a pair of jellies for her. Oh, here they go. Pair of jellies for her to wear. So that's all of her shoes. Then we have, I'll show you the main outfits. We have these cute dresses here. We got her this nice shirt. Another shirt. You can tell what her mom's favorite color is. Purple, guys. These cute overalls here. Another pair of pink overalls. This outfit here is just a white shirt and a pair of like gray leggings under there. Really, really cute. And then a short set here. And another short set, and this one's so cute. Looks like it would be for 4th of July, but whatever. And then we just brought, well, we're going to bring a set of extra onesies with us, just in case she needs like changes of clothes. A little pair of blue shorts, a little pair of black shorts, her jean jacket, just in case she gets cold in a restaurant or something. We got 3 long sleeve shirts right here. I'm not going to individually put them out just in case it gets chilly. And then some extra pairs of pants. Then we got her some socks here. We're going to bring some toys. A few of them are hiding under the clothes there. And some bibs and rag and towel, Pampers, all that good stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and get everything placed into her bag, and then I can start working on mine. I have just started working on my bag. These are actually all of my outfits here on this side. Then I have shoes. I'm gonna add another pair of tennis shoes in there. I got some cute type Michael Kors sandals under there, and then some other sandals up under the side of clothes. But I just decided to go ahead and pack everything because I didn't want to get on camera and bore you guys with it. But other things that I have to grab is like some socks, underwear, things for my camera, like the tripod, hair accessories for Mel, all of our toiletries. Like this bag here, I have to redo this one because I had packed it to go on a trip to Beaufort, what was it, last weekend, and we ended up coming back home and didn't need the stuff, but the bathroom is a hot mess right now because we have a lot of things out, like toiletries and things that we have to pack. But guys, all this chaos is going to be gone really soon, so I'll come back. Guys, before I pack up all of my toiletries, I wanted to come back to show you that the shirt that I have on, and it says dare to resist negativity and meditate. And this is actually a shirt from my little cousin's line. They actually sell hand poured candles, and the candles smell really good, and they also have this merch to go along with it. They do have another style of shirt as well, but I'll link all that down in the description box below so you can get your shirt today, because y'all know we got to support black owned business. I'm sorry, I was just looking at my daughter and seeing what the world she's doing. But as our channel grows and the Crawford Cutie crew grows, we're gonna have some merch coming soon. Well, not soon, but whenever the channel grows, like, you know, at each milestone, we're gonna start doing more and more here on this channel. So please stay tuned for that, and go tell a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend to join the Crawford Cutie crew so that all of these things can come out a lot faster. Alright guys, we are back and it is 11:47. It's been a long night, but I finally got most of my toiletries packed. I spot a few items here that I'm going to do the product review on, and an item that will be launching. But this is everything, like my extra contacts, some contact solution, Mel's toothpaste, my toothpaste, mouthwash, floss, toothbrushes in there. And here we have some hair items. And then up here in this empty spot, we're going to put some jewelry. Then I got Mel's bathing essentials right here, just some Aveeno lotion and moisturizing wash because she does have eczema. Got one more little hair item I need to pack for Mel. Then got all of my cleanser and oil right here that I use for my face routine. Camera needs to focus. So yeah, putting all this in the bag, and then going to grab some jewelry like I said, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll tomorrow, guys. I am exhausted, but I have to do one more thing after I finish this. I have to actually go downstairs and paint my toenails to match my nails. Let's see if I can zoom in so you guys can see my nails. Yeah, but I did my nails last night, and then I'm gonna just go downstairs like I said and paint my toenails. And when we get there, I'm gonna have to go to the store or whatever to buy some multivitamins, because I have several different vitamins and I don't want to carry like each individual thing, even though I have like this pill holder right here that I typically put them in. But I mean, I'm just gonna go get one multivitamin and be done with it. But yeah, that's where we are, y'all. I'll come back after I do my toes and show you guys the finished product. Alright, y'all, we have come downstairs and we have all the bags here by the door. Mel is trying to follow her dad. Excuse her, because, oh wait, I'll turn it the other way. I don't want her on camera because her hair is not done right now. But tomorrow she'll be looking a lot better. I'm trying to show y'all when my husband comes back in the door to put all the stuff in the car. Yeah, our garage looks a hot mess. Just look past all that. Wow, it's so cold here in Georgia. All right, y'all, if you can see, well, it's really dark, but hopefully it focuses. This is Billy, but I'll show you guys Billy in the morning time. But yeah, we're just outside about to get ready to start packing the car, y'all. Guys, the car is packed. There are just a few more items that have to actually go in there, but we'll do all that in the morning time. Sorry about that, guys. I was also rudely interrupted when the battery died, so I just came upstairs to switch it out. But I was just gonna end the vlog here, let you guys know, like I was saying, the car is packed. A few more items that need to go in the car. Tomorrow I work all day, but probably gonna try to work in the car so we can get an early head start to leaving. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you would like to see more vlogs like this one, please like, comment, share, subscribe if you're not already a Crawford Cutie. And if you are a Crawford Cutie, thank you so much for watching. Well, thank you for watching either way, but shouts out to all the Crawford Cuties. But I'm about to go paint my toes, take a shower, give Mel a bath. I know we're horrible parents letting her go to bed this late, but it's all good. But hope you guys enjoy your Tuesday, since it is already Tuesday. And I'll see you next time. And always remember to stay cool, calm, and Crawford, y'all. Bye.